Hey, it's Marlis Howard. Welcome to my channel. Here's my master bedroom, and it is a mess. Drinking water today. How are you guys doing? It's nice to see you. I've been going through my torn ligament, and the things that are going on in my life the changes are, this COVID thing is kind of wrapping up. But, I was off for 3 months and, and I had plenty of time to do YouTube. And now at my job as a hairdresser, it's kind of winding up and it's a lot busier than it used to be. So, and also my husband, he used to work 6 days a week and now he works 5. So he's home more. So it's kind of cutting into my YouTube time a little bit, but I'm not going to quit. So I thought today I would just talk about what's coming up on my channel, like ideas I have for videos. So right now I'm doing my master bedroom. I already filmed it with my Canon M50, but I'm not that good. So I think from now on I'm going to use my Canon M50 and my iPhone to film, and that way I'll always have a video ready because I'm still learning, as you know. So the master bedroom, clean under the bed, and I already cleaned out the closet. So I need some items for in there to get organized. I'm trying to be a little bit more sustainable, so we'll see how that works out. And that's why I'm drinking my water. I didn't grab a water bottle. I filled this up. I figure if you do a little bit of that every day, I know it won't happen. I know it won't happen overnight, but it won't hurt. So anyway, and then in the master bedroom, we're going to do curtains that are going to be under $15 a pair, including the rods and hanging them. So I think that'll be fun. We're going to do black curtains, and I'm going to clean under my bed. And I wanted to mention to you guys, when you're decluttering, a lot of times you find a treasure. Like you're cleaning things out and, you might think, oh, I really don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. But you always find something that you're like, oh, I remember this, or oh, I love this ring, or whatever it is, or this other shoe. That's my problem right now. I'm like, I have these shoes. These are so cute. They're practically brand new. They're so cute. They're so comfy. And, I have one. That's good, right? So you can watch my channel and you can feel good about yourself. Okay, I'm still learning all the tech stuff. And, I'm not spending too much money on my house renovating right now because I'm doing a couple trips. I'm going to Charleston and I'm going to Florida. I just got my vaccination Monday. Don't donate something before you have replaced it. Like if you get a new, say, frying pan, go ahead and donate one, but don't donate it before you get it if you're using it. And same with dishes. Don't donate your dishes before, some of my dishes broke, but don't donate your dishes before you get the new ones, because then you'll be like, I don't have any whatever, So, one of my changes into the salon because we have a huge renovation there. It looks so beautiful. So, and we'll film a couple haircuts. What I would really like to do is to film, have people sign and the conversations. But most of the time there's non-copyright free music in the background, so I can't really do that. So I'm just gonna, and that's probably good for my clients anyway. So I'm just gonna stick with just filming, I think, and doing a voiceover will be fine with some music added. So anyway, you guys, I'm 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I'm 1 step back this week because of my torn ligament and my COVID vaccine. I got the second one. And I got chills all night. A bigger house with more closets, or not necessarily bigger, but just more closets. So, but in Europe, their houses are so small and they seem to live a nice life. And I live in a great area where there's a lot of outdoor spaces to eat, and there's a lot going on here. So, you know, we can make do with this house. It's fine. It's in town. It's a good location. It's well built. It just, yep, next time you see this room, it's gonna be looking good. All right. Okay, and I'm gonna, I want you guys to let me know what kind of videos, leave me in the comments what kind of videos you would like me to do, like what kind of cleaning videos, or what kind of videos you want to see or that you need in your life. What do you need help with? And actually, I think I'm going to do a video on how to get the least amount of work done when you're injured. But another thing I'm going to do, I want to show you guys on this video, is my dream bathroom from my favorite restaurant. And I think you'll love it. It's really timeless. Like, it was probably done about 25 years ago, but it's all neutral and it's really timeless. It's my favorite bathroom. So, that's going to be on that's on my dream board. I got to put that on my dream board. I want to do that in my bathroom. And it's basically, I think I could do it with just a new countertop. And then there's another company. They just come and they'll replace your drawers and your doors. But I think that could wait. Like, I could do that next year, So, I really need to get rid of that countertop, and I need to have those nice tiles all the way up. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to put those pictures in here, and I'll put some little writing on there for you all, so you'll know where I'm kind of going with that. So anyway, have a great day. Try to get through the day. There's so much going on. I don't want to talk about it. Because I don't want to talk about anything that's too serious. So anyway, have a good one. Drink a half a glass of wine and have a good one. Talk to you later. Later. After 5 o'clock. Okay, we'll see you later. Thanks a lot. This is my dream bathroom in the restaurant The Dutch's Daughter in Frederick, Maryland. I just love it, and I want to somewhat incorporate it into my personal bathroom. So I might steal some ideas from here, but possibly make it a little bit more even a little bit more neutral. And I think it would be really beautiful. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up, and you guys have a lovely evening.